Got my coffee, heading over to one that sounds like a broken spring. We'll see when I get there, but this is how I'm starting my day. Nice and crisp, 50 degrees. Heading over with a cup of coffee. See what else happens during the day. When I get there, I'm gonna have a different shirt on. I got it right over here. One with the little garage door emblem on it. That's what you guys should do too. That's why I tell people they should wrap their vehicles and put their company name on it and all that. Customer feels better when you pull up. They feel like you're more legit than if you pull up in a car or you get a van even. I mean, you don't have to wrap it, but it just looks better. So anyway, get your vehicles wrapped. I'll talk at you when I get at the job. Okay, I hung this door. Look at the wall. I changed the wall too. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? You want me to go through and look at it?
Yeah, come here.
Yeah, okay.
Long time no see, young man.
Yeah, how long's it been? It looks like you got the car fixed. Yeah, you got a broken spring there. Here. See, remember I told you the cable? See these? If you would have tried to open it, they would have got tangled up. See over here? Another one here? It's all loose. But yeah, so I could do it.
One big one, this one?
You said you lifted it up? And right now it's 250 pounds. Not a heavy door for a two-car garage.
Yeah.
There's doors that are 1,100 pounds. Yours has one, but the spring's bigger. Normally the smaller springs. Mm-hmm. But this is a bigger spring. It's enough to lift this door. But I could do two small ones, but then I would move the bracket over in the middle.
You want to put them in a 2 or a 1?
The only disadvantage to having one, like if you had two right now, these cables, they'd still be tight. They'd still be on because the other one's not broke. And then I can lift it up.
Okay.
But on this, once the spring breaks, the cables come off completely. It's not that it's better. I mean, it's necessary or not. That's all. So sometimes I make two into one and I lift it. But here,
whatever.
Here it's a little less money to do one. See here? Here's the spring. There's the brake, right there. You don't want a receipt?
No.
No. You already have it made out? When did you do that?
Well, what do you mean? Just before.
Oh, before I got here?
Hey, let me ask you something.
Okay, so I gave him a break. I was $689 for one. I did it for $600. It took me literally 10 minutes. Everything was new. He didn't even want a receipt. Nice guy. He's always been a nice guy. Not bad. Anyway, how would you like to do that? Just get to the houses. The more houses you get to, the more money you're making. Kind of only doing this to show you guys how much garage door companies make when they work. Anyway, this is how it is. You just go out there and do them. Pick up the check and drive away. You guys should be doing this too. You can make your own times and you don't really have to work when you're working. It's easy money. But if I want to, I can take vacations whenever I want. I don't have to wait till someone says, this is your vacation. Nobody calling me, telling me where I gotta go, what I gotta do. Only ones that do are the ones that are paying me. That'll be the same with you. If you get in this garage door business, there's no other business like it. This is the best, most relaxing, enjoyable business to be in, the garage door business. You've never heard of it before, but a lot of times those secret things that you don't hear about them for a reason because the people that are in it don't want you knowing about it. I'm going out on the limb here, telling you guys this business needs garage door technicians, guys like me, going out and fixing them that know how to do it, that have the parts, all that stuff. There's not enough of them. If you got in this business, you'd be as big as the guy that's been there for 30 years. Once you're in there and you know how to do it, you're going to be side by side with them. The customer gets online, they see you, they see them. They don't know the difference. If you have a better name, they're going to call you. I'll tell you how to do all that. I'll tell you what names that work better. I'm going to teach you all the little tricks. How to talk to customers, how to get the jobs, where to market yourself, what to charge even. We give you price sheets. How you get money out of people where they feel good about it. Not like you're there to rip them off. All right, so www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I'll see you in the course and I'll probably talk to you on the phone. Don't hold back because I'm telling you, you're going to forget about this and then you're going to go down another road where you make no money. Get this under your belt. Once people know you do garage doors, your phone's just gonna start ringing. I just talked to a guy yesterday. He owned a farm somewhere. He signed up. And he said, just by word of mouth, just talking, people have already said, I'm your next customer, because he's doing the course now. He's already fixed 2 doors since then. So anyway, I don't care where you live in this country, it's all the same. They have houses, they have garage doors on them. Their doors is gonna break. So that's what these are. These wear out. Garage doors are made to break. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. Over and out.